In this video, you'll learn how to build your project on an industry-specific framework using templates in Zoho projects. Project templates are predefined outlines that serve as a blueprint for a project to be built on. The template gallery is a collection of ready-to-use, industry-specific templates that can help you create projects based on your requirements. Using a template from the template gallery, you can save the time you spend on project planning and ensure consistency across all of your projects. You can choose a template from a list of more than 10 industry-specific templates and task-specific templates to create your project. All you need to do is log in to the Zoho Projects portal, navigate to projects from the left navigation panel, click the New Project button, choose a suitable template for your project from the template gallery. Hover over the template and click Use Template. Your project will be created with a set of predefined phases and tasks that can be customized according to your project's requirements. Templates can be accessed from anywhere in Zoho projects. Whether you are in the portal tabs or within a specific project, you can easily create projects from scratch or templates without losing your current screen.